Look what I found. So, Mommy Cat, I had my door open yesterday morning before I went to work. And I'm trying like to tame the three or four cats that are always here. So I just open my door a little bit as I'm preparing their breakfast. She brought inside the house her three kittens. That one, that one, and this one. They're very tiny. I think they're like 4 weeks old or 5 weeks old. That's it. Um, so I have this kind of cage thing, um, and that's a little litter I put over there for them because in case whatever. Mommy's sitting right here. She is watching me take care of her babies. That's Tiny, by the way. So, I knew she had kittens somewhere, um, and she brought them in the house. Can you believe it? So now I'm dealing with this. I don't know what I'm going to do. Um, Probably take them to the Humane Society, but I'm just playing with them and feeding them. They're eating a little food, like pate, like canned food.